Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So, finally, your wait is over as most of you demanded a full fledged course on modern history. So, here it is. I am Purti Garg, a national memory champion, and I have been felicitated at several places. You can read more about me here. So the point comes that it's not easy to remember a lot of things. See, we have to read modern history, polity, environment, and so many subjects with so many details. So much detail is there. Okay. And in questions, the options, the statements, they are very close to each other. So we get confused. We get confused between two statements. So how can we remember large number of important and confusing topics like historical acts if we specifically talk about modern history? So there are so many confusing topics like historical acts, viceroys, governor generals. So the questions they ask you that, okay, third Anglo-Mysore war happened during the time of. So like this, it gets very confusing. Then historical acts, it is a very important topic. Time and again, we see questions on this topic and we get confused between two topics, between two statements. The question says that, okay, which of the following statements is or are correct about Government of India Act 1919? So we may be knowing the statements, we have read it, but still we get confused because see, there are so many details, so many facts, so many topics that revision, even after 2 to 3 revision, we tend to get confused. If I ask you that how many of you are scoring minimum 120 in modern history, in mock tests of modern history, so you must be smiling and saying, ma'am, what? We are literally waiting for that day, right? So because we don't have that confidence. Okay. So here I'll be helping you learn the topics with the help of very funny and interesting techniques. And the best part is that within a time period of 10 days, we will be able to complete modern history from beginning to end. That means I'll be taking care of major topics, of the topics that we get questions very often in exams, and I'll help you learn them with the help of ready-made tricks. Like till now in Stashed 1 and Stashed 2.0, what we are doing was I was giving you few techniques and few I was asking you to prepare yourself so that you can learn. But since prelims is fast approaching and I can very well understand the shortage of time, so what we are doing in this modern history, stashed modern history is that I'll be giving you ready-made tricks for all the topics, be it viceroys, be it governor generals, be it historical acts, social religious reform movements, or tribal, the civil uprisings, etc. Then these August offer, Cripps mission, cabinet mission, Wavell plan. So many plans are there that it's really tough to remember all of them. We get confused कि ये इसमें था या इसमें था. Okay, so I'll be helping you learn all of them within a time span of 10 days. So it's going to be a very interactive session. I'll be giving you short videos. There I will be teaching you techniques. I'll be giving you ready-made tricks, maybe through memory palace method, maybe through journey method, maybe through many other techniques. And then in the MCQ session, the evening session that we'll be having on habitat, there I'll be helping you revise the previous year questions, because see, it is very important to practice previous year questions because they give you the exact progress, basically the exact stand where you are. Okay, so I'll be giving you previous year questions, you will be solving them, and then you can analyze your progress. Till now you are in the fear of revising, you are in the fear of not forgetting it, but then it will be a cakewalk for you. Okay, because those techniques you can revise very interestingly with the help of those techniques. Then also we are facing the problem of revision because the syllabus is too vast. We keep on learning and we tend to let go our revision. Basically we think that, okay, let me first complete the syllabus, let me first complete all the current affairs, and then I will come back to the revision. But see, this is a never ending list. The current affairs is the thing that never ends, so you let go your revision due to that. Please do not make that mistake. Static portion is very important. Mostly students keep running behind the 20%, and the 80% that is under their control, you let go that. Please do not commit that mistake. That's why I am planning a program on modern history, then polity. This ways I'll try to come up with programs so that you can revise your static part with that. Okay. So these are the some screenshots of my students where, see, this was about social religious reform movements. I taught them through the video session. Then in the evening session, I gave them MCQs. So see, with the lightning speed, they were able to answer. Okay, like I was not able to complete the question. That means within a second they used to give me the answers. So for example, if I asked you about Deoband movement, so see, here are the names. 5:29 p.m. I posted the question, and 5:29 p.m. they are just giving answers within seconds. So there is a progress, there is an improvement in your answering way and in your speed as well. And see, every +2 marks matter. Even point mark matters in prelims is the major hurdle right now you guys are facing. So +2 mark matters a lot, and in this program you can get somewhere between 20 to 25 plus marks. Because I do not say that you have not learned modern history, but even if you have learned, you keep on revising 2 to 3 times, but still you are in the fear of forgetting it. You are not able to move further with the confidence. And while practicing questions, while giving mock tests, you tend to go in negative marking. You lose marks in negative marking. So we have to overcome that, right? Let me give you a few examples. For example, we'll be learning organizations, we will be learning movements, their associated leaders. So for example, Arya Samaj. Now, Arya Samaj was founded by Dayanand Saraswati. So, how we are going to learn this is Arya, Riya. I can see Riya Chakravarti over here. So, I can say that, okay, Riya Chakravarti is a culprit. So, Dayanand, CID, Daya of CID was after her to catch her. So, Arya Samaj, there, it was founded by Dayanand Saraswati, because I have associated Riya Chakravarti with Daya of CID. Then Sophical. I don't know how many of you have heard about Sophia Girls School. So Sophia School means my code for Theosophical is Sophia. I have picked up from here, Sophia. And Blavatsky, can I make whiskey out of this? Now you all are feeling interesting. Okay, so this is whiskey. And Colonel Olcott. So I can remember Colonel. So how I can associate that Colonel was drinking whiskey in the playground of Sophia Girls School. So see, with the help of these techniques, you will never forget them. How hard you try to forget them, you will not forget them. Then Dev Samaj, Shiv Narayan Agnihotri. Now, Dev means gods. So you can learn by God Shiva, or Agni. हवन, you must have heard about हवन करेंगे, not that हवन, basically जो पूजा में किया जाता है, the one that you offer to God, the offerings to God, that हवन. So Agni, you light up fire. So Dev, when you worship Dev, you fire, you lit Agni. Okay, so Agnihotri. Rama Krishna mission, Ram and Krishna, these are gods. And Vivek, I can pick Vivek over here. Vivek is wisdom. So just imagine that Lord Ram and Lord Krishna, they are very wise. So Rama, Krishna, they are wise. So wisdom, that means Vivek, hence Vivek Anand. This way I'll be telling you number of techniques. This was one method. For example, for Morley Minto reforms, I will be picking this more. More means peacock. So we will be very interestingly learning Morley Minto reforms with the help of a peacock. The peacock will be dancing, he will be singing songs, he will be going to a bar with his friends, he will be sitting on a rhino and traveling somewhere. So it's going to be very interesting. For example, we will be learning Government of India Act 1919, Government of India Act 1935. So we'll be learning those two acts with the help of daughter-in-law and father-in-law. So again, it's going to be very interesting. I'll try to help you remember the techniques, remember the topics with the things that you can see in your surroundings. So it would be easy for you to associate them. Fine. Then education commissions. I hope most of you must have watched this video earlier, but still for the newcomers, I would like to tell you. For example, Charles Wood Dispatch. What I did, education. Now while studying, you are tired. So you thought of having a party. So a bonfire party. For bonfire party, you need wood. So Charles Wood Dispatch. Now for wood, for collecting wood, you went to the jungle. There you saw animals. You was confronted with a tiger or a lion. So you plan to kill it. So hunter, you hunt the lion. So hunter commission. Then lake. After hunting the tiger or the lion, you went to a lake to wash your face. You were very tired, so you went near a lake, you washed your hands, you washed your face. So Raleigh commission. Then you were very sad because you could not collect wood, as whole time was wasted in hunting the tiger or the lion, and it was already evening. So you got very sad and you sat down over there. So Sadler commission. Then all of a sudden you saw a girl on the opposite side of you. Means if you are sitting on this side of the lake, so on the opposite side of the lake, you saw a girl. So your heart started beating faster. So heart talk. And finally, you went near her and asked her name. What's your name? So she replied, my name is Sarah. So see how beautifully we were able to learn the events, all the commissions in the chronological order. Now you will be very neatly, very clearly able to distinguish. For example, if I ask you that Fowler Commission is for, so is it for education, for currency, for unemployment? So you can very clearly say, oh, it's for currency, it is not for education basically. Or if I ask you Raleigh Commission, so you can very well say it's for education. So I'll be teaching you, I'll be helping you learn all the commissions. For example, I gave you an example of Fowler Commission, so I will teach you how Fowler is associated with currency. So we will be learning all the currency commissions as well. Okay, so this is going to be a very interesting session, and mind it, in 10 days you will be able to have a command on modern history. You will not make mistakes in questions, and every +2 matters, remember. So you can boost your score by around 15 to 20 marks, because few you must be knowing, but where you are losing in negative marking, you can always improve that. Then these are few screenshots of my students on Quora. Like Atul Singh is my student, so he wrote on Quora, you can have a look at it. Then Ankita is another student, so you can read her feedback over here. So all the screenshots, this is one ID, Alpha. I guess his name is Atul, I guess. So like this, I have given you many screenshots for Preeti, etc. All these are my students, so you can pause the video, you can have a look at the screenshots. Now, the very important part, what all topics we will be covering. So, civil uprisings, peasant movements, socio-religious reform movements, the organizations, their associated leaders, chronology of major events in freedom struggle, revolutionary movements, acts during British India, governor generals and viceroys, commissions and committees in British India, provisions of different plans, very, very important, like August Offer, Cripps Mission, Cabinet Mission, Wavell Plan, Rajagopalachari Formula, etc., etc. There are so many. Okay, so we will be covering all these important topics in the workshop, and you will be getting to revise in the evening session. We will be having MCQs, we will be practicing previous year questions, so that you can have a command on these topics. See, till now what you are doing, you are dividing your days for specific subjects, but still you are in the fear of not forgetting it. But in these 10 days, you can very well complete your modern history and keep it aside. Okay, then you can just lie down on your bed before sleeping, and you can remember the techniques, you can remember the topics within minutes. Okay, so membership to the stashed, you will be getting the 10 days intensive workshop. Daily habitat sessions will be there. We will be interacting. We will be solving your doubts also. Ready-made stories and tricks will be provided to you. Video lectures will be there, and personalized mentorship by me. So the link is given in the description below. Join me on Habitat. Ask your doubts. Ask whatever you want to know about it, and we will be having an amazing session. So see you all on Habitat. Waiting to watch you there. Have a good day. Thank you.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.